with another video. Okay, in today's video I'm going to be installing the beautiful, illustrious, luxury, not pretend, okay, Love Me Hair. Oh, Love Me Hair. You guys know that I absolutely love Me Hair. Their quality over quantity every single time. We love Me Hair. So I'm gonna unbox this for you guys so you guys can see exactly what's going on. You see I have my wig cap on. I have no lace on my hair, so I'm gonna unbox this luxury wig unboxing right now. Wow, Love Me Hair. First thing I want to really say is I want to thank Helen because of the beautiful presentation. Once again, she's gonna slay me. Like I'm gonna put some pictures in on how I was looking like a bum this week so you guys can see. But Helen, of course, she comes and everything is wrapped up here. You can see that she has a message written for each and every customer, not just influencers, and I definitely love that. She does that because I'm a customer, my sister's a customer, we all wear Love Me Hair because we love Me Hair. This comes with a few goodies. So in here, you know, we have the Love Me Hair pins, we have some bobby pins and elastic band. I'm actually gonna unbox this so you guys can see. And this is such a cute compartment because I'm always losing my hair ties. So now what I can honestly do is just put my hair ties in here. Like I was saying, it comes with this elastic band. It comes with, you know, the brush for my edges that I'm gonna use right now, as you can see. I'm gonna use it now, so I'm gonna leave that out. And it comes with this really cute pin. It's like the same as my chain. They're so cute together. So I love that it says Love Me. I was holding it upside down so you guys couldn't really see it, but it does say Love Me. Sparkles, glistens, and bobby pins, which we always need whether I'm natural or not. Need those. And of course, beautiful tweezers for my lash that I need to fix. Oh my gosh. See the what direction is this going? Honestly, these tweezers, they aren't even for lashes, but let me just fix this because I don't know what's going on here. Okay, let me fix this right there. Side. Alright. Okay guys, sorry. I'm sorry. I just really need to fix it. Hopefully I'll crop that out and you guys won't get to see that part, but yeah, this is really cute. This is honestly really the cutest thing I've seen. I love the presentation that they've been doing lately. Of course, we have a wig cap, which I'm wearing both of them right now because I need to protect the edges that I have left. Simple. I need to protect the edges that I have left. So, we also have these headbands. I'm going to show you guys the last thing that we have before the hair is the instructions, okay, care package instructions. And I love that they do this because companies don't do this anymore. Like they send like nothing. Like it just, I don't know, this just makes me feel like, wow, this is a company that really cares about their hair. They really care about their customers. So this is why you guys need Love Me Hair in a life, okay? This is why. This is why I love Me Hair. They have even a return and refund policy. Like there's no funny business with Love Me Hair, and that's why I love Me Hair. Literally. So, okay, the moment we've all been waiting for. The hair, of course, it comes in this beautiful packaging. It comes in the purple packaging, and I absolutely love this. It's not like this hair is wrapped up in plastic. It's not like this hair is just wrapped up in paper. It's not like this hair is just has tissue paper on it, okay? I wish I had some tea to sip. Let me sip my imaginary tea, because you all know these companies and this tissue paper, no. Love Me Hair, they have their custom made bag, okay, before I even unbox the hair. But anyway, this is the hair. This is a 16-inch.
Girl, okay girl, no girl. This is like full 22 inches. So don't even listen to what I'm saying. This is a full 22-inch deep curly, okay? I'm sorry, I made a mistake, okay? Let's get back to the video, okay?
Go to work with it. You guys are gonna see the progress because I'm gonna be filming the progress, literally. The hair comes in a hairnet. Let me just remove this hairnet from the hair. Okay, there we go. Hairnet removed. Of course, some people, you know, forget the importance of a hairnet. Like, look at this hair straight out the package. Like, I'm just gonna run my hands through it because, of course, I want you guys to see are flowing flawlessly and there's no issue, no problem, right? The curls are flowing flawlessly. I definitely missed the Love Me Hair. Like, I'm not gonna lie, guys. The Love Me Hair quality, I mean, my fingers are running right through this. I haven't styled it yet, so that's what we're gonna get ready to do. I already know my headband that I'm gonna wear, but I want to show you each and every one of them. This is the yellow headband, and I think I really do want to go with yellow today. I really do want to go with yellow today. But then I also saw that there was gray, so this is between gray and yellow right now. Gray and yellow, right? But then I also see that they have something else, and that is brown and pink. Brown and pink. I don't know, guys. Do you guys think I should go with the pink? What do you guys think? The gray? Listen, the brown. Oh my gosh, I said the gray. Oh my gosh. The brown, I know we're not going with the brown. I know we're not going with the brown. Absolutely love it. I think this is so fun. I think this kind of shows personality, okay? Personality. Anyway, we're torn between two. We're torn between two cities, y'all. So I don't know what to do. I really don't know. Like, what me I go pick? No. Okay, we have her on. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, that's not even done and I love it. So I can kind of show you guys a variation of how she can be styled, you know? Get a white tooth comb and comb out these curls. Like, this is so natural looking, and I think this is my favorite of all time, the natural look. Like, when it looks natural, when it looks real, it's like, what is anybody gonna tell you? Oh, it looks too real. Oh, it looks too natural. Like, look at this. No, this is really so pretty to me. I don't know what it is about it. I don't know what it is about it. And I know the pink headband is gonna go so hard. Like, it's gonna go so hard. But I'm not gonna put on the pink headband yet because of the fact that I just wanna bask in these curls. I have to zoom in because I can't even lean forward and really show you guys what I wanna show you guys. So are you looking, like, are you seeing, look at the volume in this, like, look at the, like, and no one else has this quality, no one else has this repertoire. Like, Love Me Hair, nah, y'all got it. Literally, like I say this all the time, and you guys know, like, I'm not posting a video about a company that don't got it. Like, y'all got it. Do y'all see any red strands in this wig? Do y'all see any gray hairs in this wig? Got a lot going on, guys. My camera fell, everything dropped, you know, everything was getting crazy, you know? It's getting too crazy for me. But basically what I did is I wet the wig, and look at this. It looks great, right? What I'm using to style it, the swab. Don't say I didn't show you the sauce. Don't say I didn't show you guys. The trick is we're not gonna use do a little moving and shaking, okay? But yeah, we got the yellow headband on. The curls are popping, like, they're popping. Like, I don't know how to even describe this. Like, I can do a half up, half down right now. Like, there's so many different styles that I could do with this wig, and ooh, this half up, half down is giving the girls what they kind of need. So I'm gonna have to execute, because you know, Love Me Hair knew, they knew that we had an assignment. They knew that we had an assignment. If you guys are not, you know, if you guys can see, the hair basically decided to do its own thing and give what the girls needed. Like, this is the look of the day, and this is just for today. Like, imagine tomorrow, imagine the next day. This is the look, guys, and I'm so happy, so pleased, and so blessed to work with Love Me Hair once again. It's giving me all the vibes ever. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you in the next video. I promise. No, I'm not gonna promise that I won't disappear. What I am gonna promise is that I'll always be here.